Now, a lot of people have mixed opinions when it does come to cryptocurrencies, pre-sales, ICO tokens, the list goes on. And a lot of the time, people who are wrong, they do not acknowledge it, they ignore it, and they move on to the next one. Now, I know a lot of you guys are going to be saying,
Lamar, you said this was going to happen, and this happened, and this didn't happen, and that happened.
And I have to hold my hands up and say it did not go the way I expected it to go. So in today's video, I'm going to go through what my initial expectations were, what my current expectations were, and a look into some of the intricacies which still makes me a little bit nervous. So firstly, let's start off with the chart. Let's get some context as to what has happened over the past 24 hours. Now guys, my laptop's playing up, so I have to show you on my phone. But if we go over to OKX, you are going to be able to see exactly what the Wall Street memes chart looks like now. And if we go to the daily chart, I'll try and zoom it in a little bit for you guys. You will see that yesterday, in fact, we did pump up. However, today we're starting to be on the decline, guys. Okay, so we're sitting at 3.5 cents. Now, while we did pump up yesterday, a lot of you guys who bought the pre-sale, you actually didn't really make any money, even if you sold yesterday. Now, one of the last prices that you could get for the pre-sale was 3.3 cents. Okay, they listed at 2 cents. That's where it started, and I think it probably averaged out at about 3 cents. So 3.3 cents, probably it was an average of about 3 cents yesterday. You're already down 10%, guys, and that's not even taking into consideration the gas fees of claiming and sending it over to OKX as well. So, you know, the chart, while it was bullish yesterday, only the people that bought on OKX are actually up right now, guys. Okay, so that's point number one. Number two is going to be why I bought. Now, I got a lot of mixed comments in that last video. He's a scammer, he's part of the team. Lol, you said that this was a scam, now you're buying, now you're making tutorials. Lol, you're an idiot, Lex. Cool, fair enough. You know, maybe I wasn't clear enough in my video, maybe I was too upbeat, maybe I was too positive, and people take it in whatever way they want to take it, right? Fair enough. Now, to clarify, the reason that I did buy was as a thought experiment. It was for the channel, it was to help the channel, and it was to show you guys in the future when a new ICO pre-sale hot meme coin comes up, what can happen when you do buy these pre-sales. And again, that's why I'm going to continue to cover it. Now, I could have put in loads of money if I really thought that I was going to be able to pump and dump it on you guys. I would have put in loads. I'm actually down like $80 right now, guys. It cost me $25 to get it in there. I bought $20, and then it took me $25 to try and take it out. Okay, so that's about $75, should I say, right? So I'm not making any money. The coin's actually like break even right now. Okay, we're not really making any money on the exchange. It was just to show you guys what can happen when you do buy these pre-sales and what can go wrong. You know, we can expect it to 10x and stuff, but really I haven't made a 10x at all. My $25 is now worth $20, guys. Okay, and after the gas fees, it's going to be worth $0, right? Not going to be able to get anything out of it. So again, it was a thought experiment, and it was an experiment for the channel and something that I could leave on the channel for a long time, and to help some of you guys out as well that wanted some help with the claiming process. All right, so that's why some of you guys are going to still be like, no, you bought it and you said it was a scam, but lol, why would you buy it? Why would you buy it? It makes no sense. You're an idiot. Fair enough. I'm trying to do it for my content. Okay, you can have your own opinion, no problem, that's fine. So number three is my initial expectations. So you can go back to the videos, and my initial expectations were the fact that it was going to just dump on launch. I did not think people were going to be able to claim. I didn't think we were going to be able to send it over to exchanges as easy as it was. And I just thought it was going to go to zero like pretty much straight away. My initial expectations were wrong, and I hold my hands up and I say they were wrong. Okay, so no problem. You can roast me in the comments again if you want to. That's fine, guys. However, while my initial expectations were wrong, what does it mean about my current expectations? Now, my current expectations are the expectations of it to follow all of the other meme coins that have come out, that came out in the hype meme coin phase, that came out after. I mean, look at Pepe's chart right now, guys. Pepe was the hypest meme coin ever, in the next Doge, next Sheep. Okay? they all bleed out eventually. No matter what the meme coin is, they bleed out eventually. And at the moment, you know, we haven't got those stakers selling. I'm sure the team probably has vested tokens that they need to be selling off to pay for whatever they need to pay for. And again, we're going to have a lot of people sort of trading it as well on OKX. The more exchanges that become available, the more selling pressure you're going to get as well. Because on OKX, some people, you know, as a member of my community in New York, he can't sell on OKX because he's based in New York, he's trying to do it on a VPN, right? A lot of people can't actually sell yet, guys. So I'm still expecting a lot more selling pressure over the coming days. And I know a lot of you guys are as well. And let me know, do you think it's going to pump up 10x like everyone else is saying? Or do you think the most likely, most probable thing of it bleeding out like all the other alt meme coins is going to happen? Let me know in the comments, all right? I'd like to see you guys' opinion. Now, before we get to the end, you know, there's some noteworthy points, guys. And number one is, if you're on the Telegram and you ask them just a simple question, you're at risk at getting banned. You can ask them any sort of question, and if it's not bullish, FOMO news hype thing, they literally just ban you from the group. So, you know, you need to think about that, because it's not good. It's not good that you can't just ask an open, free question, right? Without having the fear of thinking, oh my God, I'm not going to be able to get any more updates because they're going to ban me, and how am I going to check in with the group, right? Any big, good project that actually wants to build in the bear market and the bull market, and they want to give back to their community, they're not just going to ban you for having some questions or being a little bit worried, right? That's not the type of companies you want to be investing in, all right? Number two, like I said, it's not available on all exchanges, okay? It's not available to all regions of the world to be selling at the moment. So I'm expecting more selling pressure. And then number three, only the people that have been buying on the exchanges are technically up right now. If you bought, and you probably bought it for like 3 cents yesterday on OKX, you know, you're up 10% right now. Okay, you're up 10%. Woohoo, whoop-de-doo. If you really got the FOMO and you started buying at 4 cents, then, you know, you're down like, what is that, 20% right now? Maybe more. I think it went to 4.5 cents. You could be down like 30-40% right now. Got to be careful with these things, guys, okay? So while my initial expectation was wrong of it dumping, I do think it's still going to play out in the same way. And again, I just wanted to give some clarity as to why I did buy it. I know a lot of you guys, you see my previous videos and I was warning you, and then you're thinking, well, why is he buying? That doesn't make any sense. Again, it was just to have this here on my channel to show you guys what can happen with all of these memes and all of these pre-sales. And I'm sure in the next bull run, when the meme hype comes back, this is going to happen all over again. So look, let me know what you guys think of Wall Street memes. Let me know if you've got any, if you've bought any, if you've staked, what the deal is for you. All comments are welcome, no problem. And until next time, I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace, gang.